Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics so you don't chase ghosts. Check Roblox server status and verify your username and password. Once done, update the Roblox app or your browser, then clear cache and cookies to remove corrupted sessions. Make sure to disable VPNs, proxies, and browser extensions because they often block login traffic. This sequence reduces variables quickly. By eliminating stale data and network interception, you expose the real cause rather than masking it. Next, you dive into the middle steps that reveal persistent issues. Reset your password and try logging in on another device or using an incognito window. That isolates account versus device problems. Also verify system time and DNS settings because SSL and auth can fail with wrong clock or blocked name resolution. Make sure firewall or antivirus rules aren't blocking Roblox. If problems persist, reinstall the Roblox client or switch to a supported browser. To finish, restore or reconfigure access and lock it down. Enable two-step verification and confirm account email. Make sure to test a full login, join a game, and verify the avatar loads so you know the session is healthy. If you still can't log in, collect error codes, screenshots, and timestamps to speed support help. One key troubleshooting tip: change your DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8, and reboot the router. This often resolves stubborn connectivity or routing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.